Hello YouTube viewers and random LEGO fans, it's Angry Boy LA here, and today I actually have my best friends, because I moved to Arizona if you didn't know already. But this is Jacob and this is Michael.
Hello.
So they're big LEGO fans, and they were really kind, and they actually let me build a puzzle box. So it's really small and it only has 2 features, but it took a lot of effort to make it. And it has, how many pieces do you guys think it has?
200?
At least 200. It has a bunch of flats and a bunch of peg pieces, and it's a really cool way that it works. So basically what you do is, do you guys want to do the features?
You should.
Okay. Alright, so what you do here is you think it's just a regular old box, and you it falls out, and then you think this is another piece, and you think that's done. Well, if you twist it just a little bit more, this little piece falls out. And you think, where could this go? And you see that little piece right there? Well, you put it in on this side, push it in hard, and then if you pull, you get this little chunk, and then this comes out, and it has diamonds on it. And that's basically the mini puzzle box for you guys. So, is there anything you guys want to tell YouTube?
Don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah, rate, view, like, and subscribe.
Peace out.
Peace out, guys.